Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday the 6th of January 2016. And starting off in yesterday's pre-market session, you can see the market down 150 points, sitting on the 17,050 level there for most of the morning session, from around 10 a.m. to just before 1. And then the market took off like a rocket. No doubt the plunge protection team coming in, driving the market higher by 100 points. Which is a big move in the pre-market session. And then we see the sell, which comes back around 43 points on this trade, followed by 32, I think it was, on this one. And that was me done for the day. As you know, on a Tuesday evening, I'm not at the desk, but out with my wife ballroom dancing. So I missed two really nice trades. First, we had this one moving higher up to the 17,150 level, and then this little one at the end here, unless of course you did the 20 points in between as well. But there is a way of actually holding this one to the upside as well as the market drove through this psychological level. So that was me done for the Tuesday. First part of the session, didn't trade the second part of the session as I was out for the evening. But again, you can see the market putting in some nice signals there. This one only just getting to the scalp on the upside there, so slightly precarious on this one. And then as we head into the evening or later part of the evening session, there's another short back down to the 17,100. And speaking of which, the 17,100 is a crucial level, which has already been broken on the overnight. Let me just switch back so you can see what's going on at the moment. There's the 17,100 major level of support there, but broken again, and then breaking yesterday's mid-morning sideways trade as well. You can see that there. Just drag it back. You can see how the market's found support there. Well, unfortunately, the market's taken that out on the overnight, come down to 16,000. I'll start again. 17,000. Too many numbers in this market. 17,000 found support, and then come back to the 17,050 level, which is now just below it there. So in the daily, you can see we're heading down towards that low of Monday. Let's just put in a couple of figures there. And we've got 16,953. If that low's taken out, then we're heading down to this one, which is 16,889. So let's just remove these for the time being, just to clear up some of the clutter on the chart. We'll leave the all-time high on the chart, so we know just in case the market moves higher. So this is what we're looking at on the downside pressure. Keep these two in mind. If they're taken out in the pre-market session, watch for 16,889, because that's the last time the market had a run up, and that's the last high that was actually put in there as well. On the news front, what we got? A lot of high impact news out today, and also the crude oil figures out, and it's the FOMC. We're back to normal. Don't be in the market at 7 p.m. I can't guarantee there'll be any moves in the pre-market session, and let alone in the start of the afternoon session as well, if we're waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes. There shouldn't be too much in these, because I mean the interest rate went up in December anyway, so there shouldn't be a lot to be revealed because it's already happened. I suppose it'll just be a case of who was against and who was for it. But again, always a difficult day to call, because some days it can be really quiet until the FOMC meeting, or it can be really volatile up until, and then it goes quiet. So we'll just have to see how it plays out. So 3 p.m. we've got news as well, factory orders and ISM non-manufacturing. The other news I think is out at 1:30 it is. So quite a heavy news day today, just to give a bit more volatility, hopefully, to the market as well. In the implied volatility, 1669 down slightly yesterday, which you'd expect. But if this sort of volatility level can be maintained, that's great, because as we saw yesterday, there's just enough momentum to move the market after the order is filled to the target price and beyond, and then to the next psychological levels, which we know are great levels to actually collect profits or lock them in and trail the stop if the market drives through these areas. Right, that's it for today. If anything else happens in between, I will let you know. Other than that, have a good day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.